AI isn't here to replace freelancers, it's here to empower them. If you've ever dreamed about working from home but felt like you didn't have enough experience, this video is for you. I've been freelancing for over 7 years, and in that time, I've watched AI completely change what's possible for entry-level freelancers. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 freelance jobs that are easier and more valuable thanks to AI, based on real client demand and tools I use in my business. These roles aren't get-quick-rich ideas. These are legit services that clients are looking for right now. The first role is short-form video editor. Short-form video is exploding. Every brand needs Reels, Shorts, and TikToks so that they can be visible on every platform. A lot of businesses actually have long-form videos like YouTube videos or webinars that could be chopped up into these shorter videos. As someone who used to do this, I can tell you this used to take hours, and you definitely had to have some video editing experience. Now you can use AI tools like Opus Clip and Veed.io to do the heavy lifting for you. I personally used Opus Clip for a client and I was blown away because you can upload your video and you let it think for a few minutes, but then it chops the video up, and it not only chops the video up, but it adds text. You can customize the branding and it will apply to all of the videos. It will even tell you which video has the best chance of going viral. If you want to be a short-form video editor, go after industries where they already have a library of long-form videos. So here on YouTube is a great place to start looking. And I would probably start with coaches. And coaches, that's a wide, huge umbrella. I mean, you could look for health coaches, financial coaches, people in the financial space, relationship coaches. Really, there's a lot of different directions that you can go with this. As someone who has worked in every aspect of content for brands, I can tell you that businesses have content and they want it to be spread farther and wider. And this is where content repurposing comes in. Similar to how you can use AI to create short-form videos, you can also plug in long-form content like blog posts or podcasts and use that to create social media posts. So you can take a blog post, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, and tell it to create reel hook ideas for Instagram, carousel posts for Instagram, Facebook posts, X posts, LinkedIn posts, you name it. If you don't have any experience creating graphics or videos for social media, I would recommend sticking with a platform where you can just create text-based posts like X or LinkedIn. A role where AI is really changing the game is VAs or virtual assistants. Until recently, being a VA meant hours and hours of admin work. Now AI can help you do those small tasks in a fraction of the time, and you don't need a lot of experience to do it efficiently. In fact, you'll probably find that some clients want you to have experience with AI and be using it to make their business more efficient. I'm talking about tasks like summarizing meeting notes, drafting email replies, brainstorming ideas, figuring out where to buy a gift for your client's girlfriend. ChatGPT is a great starting point for these tasks, but new tools are always being developed, so I think for any virtual assistant, it's definitely worth keeping your finger on the pulse of AI and what's coming out so that you can work more efficiently and provide more value to your clients. Here's a quick backstory. When I was trying to figure out how to make money from home, I briefly worked for a transcription company called Rev. To write a transcript for a video, I would have to manually watch the video, usually in slow motion, and type out every single word. And as you can probably imagine, it was painstaking. Now there are many tools that do this for you, like Otter.ai, Whisper, and Descript. But the thing is, these transcripts are never perfect. You have to go in and edit them. And it's really important that these transcripts be accurate for 2 reasons. Number 1, you need accurate closed captions for people with hearing impairments. And number 2, more and more people are watching video with the sound off. I know I do. So for videos, whether it's long form or even a short form ad or marketing video, you want those transcriptions to be accurate. That's why everyone from brands to podcasters to YouTubers need a transcription editor. Another task that used to be painstaking and require more skill before AI is editing podcasts. Now there are amazing tools like Descript that allow you to edit a podcast simply by editing the text on the screen. It can even remove filler words and all those ums and awkward pauses automatically. There are almost 5 million podcasts worldwide, so if you enjoy storytelling, this is a high demand niche that you should definitely consider. Another great AI-powered freelancing opportunity is deck and presentation creator. Businesses, consultants, and creators need polished decks all the time for workshops, for sales, and for internal meetings. Now, I personally love creating decks, and it's something that I kind of volunteer to do whenever it comes up, and I found that ChatGPT is really great for outlining a deck. And here's what this workflow looks like. Firstly, you need to get the information from the client, so maybe they provide it in a Word doc or a Google Doc, or maybe you hop on a call with them and have AI keep track of the meeting notes. Then you give that information to ChatGPT and tell it to use that information to create an outline for their specific purpose. Once you finalize the information, you'll bring it to life with a Canva design. This is a really great one if you enjoy that creative process of writing and designing. Last but not least is Newsletter Writer. Most businesses have a newsletter of some kind. They use it to promote their blog articles and share updates and news so that they can stay top of mind for their clients. A newsletter is very often a compilation of information, which makes AI great for drafting them. You can use ChatGPT or a more conversational AI tool called Claude to summarize blog articles and compile all of the information that the client needs in their newsletter. As a marketer, I have to do my due diligence here and give the big fat disclaimer that what AI spits out is not what you should run with. What makes this service valuable is that you edit and rewrite to make it sound more human, because anyone can plug their information into ChatGPT. That's why this is a great entry point for writers and editors who can humanize AI output. Those are the 7 AI-powered freelance jobs I would seriously consider if I was just getting started. But here's a word to the wise. AI lets you do things faster, but that doesn't mean you should earn less. Too many freelancers start working more efficiently and accidentally cut their own income. That's why I created this video explaining why charging hourly will kill your freelance business and what to do instead so you can make more money in less time. This might be the most exciting time in history to start a freelance business. So don't wait to take advantage of these opportunities.